Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're holding PEPECoin, you'll want to hear this update. We've got big news, price analysis, and predictions, so stick around. Right now, Pepe is trading at around 0.006884 with a market cap of $2.85 billion. That's a big drop from its peak, where it was close to hitting a $1 trillion market cap. In the last 2 months alone, Pepe has fallen nearly 70%. The big question is, can it recover? Looking at the charts, Pepe is at a critical support level. If it holds, we could see a bounce towards 0.0008 or even 0.001 tau. If it breaks these resistance levels, a new all-time high could be possible. But volume is low, so a strong market push is needed. Another meme coin to watch is Quack Coin. Its price is around 0.000090527, and if it removes a few zeros, early holders could see major gains. As always, do your own research before investing. For Pepe, the best strategy right now might be holding for the long term. It has strong community support and a history of big moves. But always manage your risk wisely. That's it for today's update. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe. Will Pepe hit a new all-time high? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next one.